Alright guys, this is Nissan Xterra. This is the window regulator, and guys, so our window regulator is right here, but it's dead. So guys, we want to take out the glass, but we can't, guys, we can't access it right from here. So guys, I'm going to show you a trick what you do so you get the glass out. So guys, so you can take this guy out and then you can replace it. So first things first, when you come right here guys, you look down there, is a 10 millimeter. There's a 10 millimeter right there, so you can access from here 10 millimeter. And then on the other side guys, on the other side, when you look on the other side, there is also a 10 millimeter. So when you just come up, look from here, you can see another 10 millimeter guys down there on the left. So when you see that 10 millimeter guys, so what you do, you come right here, you take out this guy, you take this 1, 2, 3 and 4 of like 4 bolts. You take this guy out. Once this guy is out of the way guys, you have some enough space to get in there. Like if you see down there like that, that's a 10 millimeter. So to get it out, you just take your 10 millimeter, extend your hand down in there, and then you can access it, and then you open it up, and then it will release the glass, and then you'll be able to pull it out. Alright, I hope this video helps you out guys. If you got like a window regulator stuck, it doesn't move anywhere, you just do that and then this thing comes out, and then you can do the rest guys. You can take out the regulator, you can take out only this and then replace another one, and then that should be able to help it out.